welcome to my YouTube channel. So yeah, today I was thinking, today's weekend, so I was thinking that what shall I eat for my dinner? So yeah, then I made a decision that, drumlet please, I will be making Kentucky Fried Chicken! I love Kentucky Fried Chicken, also called KFC. Remember that? So my mom made KFC like 3 or 4 times. I love it so much, and I also bought it from the shop. So I'm so excited to make it. So let's get going into the video. Wait, before going into the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will give 5 seconds to do this like, share, subscribe, notification challenge and all. Press those buttons in 5 seconds. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. So 1 minute. Look at the century. I just had the century when I'm dancing. So yeah, let's go to the video. Now let's really start the video, okay? Before you all cook, we will be washing our hands, or it will be not keeping hygiene. So I just have washed my hands properly with hand soap. Now, before moving to the discussion of the ingredients, I am going to put a thing that is A for apple, A for apron. Let's jump and it will come. 1, 2, 3. Now that I had put on my apron, I am going to discuss the ingredients. So the first thing that we needed are all-purpose flour, corn flour, ginger garlic paste, onion paste, ginger garlic and onion paste, a lemon, 2 eggs for 2 chicken, some chicken. I already had put turmeric powder. Then we need half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of pepper, salt required. Then we need 2 to 3 teaspoons of chili powder. Then we need some curd, 2 teaspoons, not 2 spoons. Okay, not 2. So let's get doing the marination. Now look, I took a vessel. Now time to put all of the dry ingredients. So first I am going to put my all-purpose flour. These amounts are for 2 chickens, okay? Then we need some corn flour. The second thing that we are going to put is corn flour. After you put, you mix. Then put our ingredients such as salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, or the chili powder is striking the some pepper powder, and the garam masala. Mix, and the color will be like a masala type. Smells so good with all these powders. We needed to put all the chili powder crushed, like do not be like lots of chili powder or a less of chili powder. Correct amount, everything correct. Look at it. Now I am going to put my chicken. Now let us put the chicken. What happened right now? Hygiene tissues. Good thing that I put my apron in. Sorry guys, I will see you after I clean up this mess. Oh, about the ingredients, I just have forgot one thing, that is Quaker whiteout. We need this, okay? Okay, about that thing that happened some minutes before, it is so hot. This type of flour-y thing is so hot. My nose is burning. Right? No worries, it's a messy kitchen type. I just have cleaned up all my mess, and now I just have take my sleeves off. No, it's all right. Now let's go to the video again. So now I am gonna put this type and mix. Look at this chicken. We need this type of thing all the way in this chicken, or else it will be not a KFC. Like some parts it has flour, some parts it do not has anything like that. It is like that. Look at that. Flour is sticking to the spoon. This is so yummy. This is so yummy. Not now, after we cook it, okay? Finished. Now that I have finished mixing this and having a very great war with these chickens, now I'm gonna add this egg because there is no water content in this flour, sugar, and the masala types. So I'm gonna add this egg. It's so cute! I'm adding 2 eggs for 2 chickens. Instead of taking 3. Why is not cracked? Chicks inside. No, I'm just kidding. Ooh, look at that egg. Yolks. Now that we will mix. After we do this, we needed our curds. 2 spoons of curds for 2 chickens. Oh. Some more. I think 3 spoons I put. Okay, that's great. Now we just mix and then going to the next, ginger, garlic, onion paste. Ooh, this seems so good. Okay, let's put it in. Okay. Let's take this all the way. Now, time to squeeze the lemon. I don't know how to squeeze the lemon. I know, but it's so hard for me. If you have a squeezer, that will be good for you. Okay, so that's great. My mom will be helping me. After I squeeze my lemon, I mix this thing. Okay, let's mix this water things into the dry ingredients. Let's mix this wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. That's a lot of water content. It's like we need it to be hydrated always. So let's do this. OMG, it's so hard. At this time, it's okay to do with your hands, but I'm a little messy guy and I don't like doing these things with my hands. My present clean hand. So yes. Yeah. What is this thing doing in my hands? Okay, so it is having a very, very nice time playing with some chickeny thing. Oh, there is 4 leg pieces, and this piece is my favorite when it's fried. Okay, so I will be like take this all each and every single steps like this. Oh, my hands. Okay, do it. I'm strong enough to do everything. Oh, there's a lot of dry ingredients at the bottom. Why is that not there? Okay, I'm so cool. It's all done. So now I finished like putting all the masalas and all. It should be like soaked in that watery substance like that. I'm gonna mix one more and keep it there. So I am so excited to eat this, and let me put it like this now. Okay, so we put all these things like this, and it's now like chaat masala chicken type. So now I will be putting this to the washing area and coming back. So I put it into the washing area. So now I'm gonna marinate it in my refrigerator. So now I finished marinating my chicken. After 4 hours, it will be looking like this, a little watery type. And yeah, I'm so happy and the chickens are very, very happy. So now I am gonna take the chicken pieces and dip it in our oats. Then I'm gonna put it into this plate. So let's begin. We need to do that and we need tidy food. So the first piece this leg piece. Why I'm taking it's so cool. We need to put it all with oats. Do this with oats. Then the next layer. Do this with oats. These oats are a little bit stickier because I don't know why. Okay. Dip the oats. No covering areas should be there. The leg piece, this skin of that leg piece, everywhere it should be oats. Look at that. Okay, now the next piece. I love this. It's so dry. The oats are so dry. So the next piece that I am going to be taking is this. Not this. I'm just let's take this. Why is it this big huge piece into the chicken? No, into the oats. Just put some oats at the top. Just then put some more oats at the top. Put some oats at the sides and voila! We go to our OT. Oh, this feels so sticky. Okay, let's stick it right there. Okay, now let's do it like this and put it into the plate. Oh, this is cool. Hygiene, where's the tissue paper? Now the next piece is this definitely this piece. You should repeat the same step while doing this, okay? Now let's put it in the... Oh, it's all coming out. So I will be doing all of these and seeing you back. So guys, now I am going to cook the chicken. Let's get started cooking it. Here is the pot with the oil. So now I'm going to put the chicken. I'm so scared. I'm not doing. My mom will be doing. I will be taking the video, okay? Look at that, she's frying. It's all right with her because she's a little bit grown up. Here's the plate of the chicken, putting the chicken in. Yay, I love it. Again, taking the chicken, putting it in the pot. She's so brave about kitchen works. I don't know why, but she's a grown-up. If kids and me, if we all are grown-ups, we will be also not scared to put for our children. Isn't it? Yes. So we will see you. I will see you after it is cooked. So guys, now I think that the oats and all they are frying, and after 2 minutes, our KFC fried chicken is ready! Yay! So now it's time to take our Kentucky Fried Chicken KFC, and I'm using this type of vessel because why I'm using it is to drain out all the excess oil that we have in our chicken. So for that we are gonna do this. Yes. So I'm so excited to try this. to try this. Look at that chicken. I love it. I love it. I love it. Rum pa rum pa pam pa rum pa pam pa rum pa pa rum pa pam pa pam pa rum pa pam pa pa. So guys, I love this chicken, and my dad was saying, "What are you doing?" Because he's coming after his shower. So our Kentucky Fried Chicken is ready. Guys, I finished making, and here is my precious KFC. So I'm gonna try it. I'm a little bit messy because I don't know why. Because of that flower case. So now I'm gonna try it by dipping this dip. This is a garlic paste. So it's like I love it. God, it's so good. It's so hard that's why I cannot say the taste. That's why it's so hot. It's so good too. I love it. Also try this at home. That's all to say by me. All of you try this at home. It's so yummy. No need of buying from shops. It's so good. Try it. Okay. Before I'm saying bye-bye, I'm saying that like, share and subscribe my channel and press that notification bells so you will be notified with every single video that I post. So now I needed to finish this KFC Kentucky Fried Chicken. Now it's a little bit warm. I love it. All of you should try this at home. I love it. It's warm now, that's why. So let me enjoy it and bye. See you in the next video. Good night. Be safe.